Prince Harry and Meghan Markle's ideas of life in California have been far from the reality, a royal expert commenting on Prince William's recent celebrity encounter claims. Prince William, along with Princess Charlotte and Prince George, attended the Singer's Eras Tour concert at London's Wembley Stadium last Friday. A selfie shared by the Shake It Off singer has amassed thousands of likes across social media platforms, while a video of William dancing went viral. The Daily Mail's diary editor Richard Eden says it is a sharp contrast to the Duke and Duchess of Sussex celebrity interactions. Speaking on the Palace Confidential podcast, Eden said, "It's a very different relationship because essentially Taylor Swift's here and she wants to show her respect for the royal family and in a way you could say paying court to Prince William, whereas with Harry and Meghan I think it's the other way around. They are the ones that always seem to be sucking up to the Hollywood royalty. I think they thought, when we move to California we'll be at the center of this kind of royal course and everyone will be coming to see us, but it never seems to be working out like that." He added, "I remember we've actually seen them when they met Beyoncé and Jay-Z and it was a Disney premiere and that they were using the occasion to suck up to these big wigs trying to get work for Meghan." Daily Mail royal editor Rebecca English described another encounter with Beyoncé as a standout cringe moment from the 6-episode series. She said, "It did make me of that moment in their Netflix documentary when they were sitting at a desk together, do you remember? And then Harry goes, 'Oh surprise, Shusha's got a text message, oh it's off Beyoncé,' with this kind of terrible hammy acting, and she goes, 'Oh well, I might just read it out, it says how wonderful I am,' which to me was one of the standout cringe moments of that documentary." In the clip, Meghan says Beyoncé just texted, with Harry looking surprised replying "Shut up," adding "Just checking in, just casual." Meghan replies with, "I still can't believe she knows who I am."